Hello friends, Wintrilla from Woodpunk Design, Craft Adda, New Delhi. Since this is our festival time, every day we are getting some new creations, new product line, and which all in handloom, all in our Indian craft, and designed by us specially to give a beautiful look and feel of the fabric as well as of the whole attire. So this video is with the batik. Now what I have done this time, I have created few batik. I have created few batik in Sri Lankan African style. African batik. This is Afro-Indian batik, I would say. The these big bold motifs all come in the African style. So if you see this batik sari, it is in handloom Madurai cotton. Handloom Madurai cotton. So you can see this Annapakshi border. So this is a typical, very traditional Madurai border, and these are all woven in Madurai in a very remote village by a women association, and they run a full complete project of their own to weave saris. So this is a fantastic batik which is completely hand done. It is a wax resist batik. The batik work has been done in our country only. But what I have done, I have given the seat of palla. This is not our conventional batik. This is a complete African, layout. This is a complete African layout, and a little bit of convention. What I have added is this part. This part. This is a very alpana artistic kind of a batik, but these circles, these big circles, and the rest of it are all African motifs. So this sari basically is in a lovely, dull blue, bluish purple kind of a shade. And see, these are the borders. So what I have done, I have designed the sari like that. See these two golden lines where this Annapakshi line are going. So these are the border of the sari. These are the borders, and I have. So the whole sari has body is plain. Body is plain. So, and beautiful texture, and whoever loves in Madurai cotton handloom saris, they would know how pretty these saris are, how pretty. So this is like this is the whole palla. Majestic sari, it's a majestic sari, and definitely it has a different look and feel. And what I have done, I have given a jamdani, a blouse piece with this. So this blouse piece I have given, this is a little on the indigo side. Indigo side. What you can do is that this is a complete hand woven jamdani blouse piece. So this blouse would look a little striking blue than this color. This is the batik. You cannot use all the colors on batik. If that is there, then those are chemical colors which are used. So there is nothing chemical about these batik colors. So this blue, what I have given is this blouse piece. So one can, this comes with the sari, which is 3900 sari and this blouse piece, or one can go for these kind of semi-stitched blouses with extra payment. So this blouse also is going very well with this sari, this batik sari. How pretty! And this is also done by batik. It is a hand batik in satin cotton material. So this blouse is going so well, very pretty. And there is another option of this blouse. It is on Indonesian ikat style batik. Again, Indonesian batik, not ikat, Indonesian batik. So this blouse is also going pretty well with the sari. See, this blouse is also going pretty well with the sari. So these blouse pieces will come with extra cost. Not the blouse pieces, because they are fully semi-stitched blouse with lining and everything. So they will come with an extra cost. So this is the another option with this sari. Okay. So these are the two blouse options with this sari. And these Madurai cotton generally don't come with the blouse pieces. So African motifs, lovely yellow color. This is an ochre yellow. This is not ochre yellow, this is sunshine yellow. I would call it a sunshine yellow. So this, see the palla, majestic palla, absolutely beautiful yellow palla, beautiful yellow palla, and all these are African motifs. They have those tribes, they have this their own, there are number of African tribes in we find. So they have their own tribal motifs, I would not be able to name these motifs individually, but they are all from the African craft, batik craft. So we have given a crack, crack batik layout here in this border to differentiate and make the border little standing out. The lower border is like this. The lower border has a solid yellow color. This is the upper border, and in the whole body we have this kind of floral patterns and such beautiful color. See the color, this floral pattern. So it is white. It is a lovely floral pattern, and it is white in color. The whole body of the sari has this. So the floral pattern is really nice. So this is the sari. So this sari comes like this. It's a very, very beautiful sari, and the fabric is awesome. The fabric is just awesome, completely hand woven. We have teamed up this Madurai cotton blouse piece with this. This is the Madurai cotton blouse piece we have teamed up with this batik sari. So this gives a little contrast to the sari. The yellow part has a contrast maroon border, so that it will look nice. Or else if you want to choose any other blouse piece, you can. I mean, in the sense that you can wear this sari with this kind of a color blouse also. And the blouses which I had shown with the previous sari will also go. Those semi-stitched blouses will also go. So we can, you can pick it up. And this blouse we have given with this sari. 3900, and these will have additional shipping. 3900 the set, but with this will have additional shipping. Another the pink is something to die for. The pink color which has come in this batik is to die for. So this pink and white combination, again, I'm a great fan of white color. I'm a great fan of white color. So this pink and white which has come, see, and the gray, and this gray flower in the body. So you must, this is again another African, African get-up, complete African get-up. You see, this is complete African batik, and these are all wax resist batik. So that's the lower border, that is the lower border. There is a big lower border, and the upper border has this, this pink crack with this kind of floral motifs, and the body has this kind of floral motifs, this kind of flowers. These are very simple, nice, elegant designs. Simple, nice, elegant designs. And the cotton, just no need to ask me. If you are a handloom lover, you know what cotton I am giving you, and what is the fabric like. So that's the lower border. So that is the sari. It's a body white sari. Body white looks so elegant, so elegant. And we have teamed up this Pedna Kalamkari blouse piece with this sari. So that is the, see, all the colors are not exactly the colors, but we have given a little different shades of, see, this hue and this pink going very well. So we have given this, we are providing these blouse pieces. If you feel that the blouse pieces you can wear better, you can always make a separate blouse of these blouse pieces and then wear the sari with something separate. So that you can do. So this is sari number 3. Very pretty. See the pink, pretty pink, absolutely. Now we go to a bright and vibrant batik, very bright and vibrant, and a very traditional Indian batik, the Shantiniketan style, complete Shantiniketan style, and it is done in Shantiniketan only. So this has a procession. You see, a beautiful, procession going on. Elephant and carriage, and it's a marriage, maybe it's a marriage doli which is going on. It's a doli procession which is like this. See, beautiful. And the body, and this is that very intricate, delicate alpana on the border. Very nice and typical traditional Shantiniketani alpana. The body has this kind of crack. And so that is the very nice cotton. This is also handloom cotton only. And that is the blouse part. This red part is the blouse piece. Very solid red, beautiful color. This is the blouse piece. Okay. So this sari is priced at 3600 plus shipping. Another rust color batik with the crack all over. This is again a Shantiniketan batik. So all these batiks are very soft, nice, beautiful cottons, and lovely to wear in any kind of celebration, summer, and particularly for Durga Puja, because Durga Puja is very social and a very soft festival for us. So we generally love to wear cottons, the rich kind of cottons in the Durga Puja festival. So morning and evening we keep changing our clothes. So in the morning we always wear such light and nice beautiful fabric sarees and cotton sarees, and then in the evening or in the later part we wear such gaudy ones, but not silks largely, because it generally generates a lot of heat. So this is a beautiful, see, the palla is such a beautiful one with a rust color body, with a brownish rust color body. So this is the body, and this is the texture of the body. Full crack done. This is all, the crack is all a part of Shantiniketan style of batik, and many places actually Dabu also gives a lot of crack. We get a lot of these crack effects through Dabu also. So this is the sari, and that's the blouse piece. So that is the blouse piece. So this sari again is priced at so this is the sari. Beautiful, lovely, and so it's a beautiful sari. 2900, 2900 plus shipping. So this is priced at 2900 plus shipping. It's all depending upon the fabric, the karigari, the pricing is done. So this is 2900. Then there is another one which is a little on the pink red kind of a, it's not red, it is very reddish pink, complete reddish pink, this sari. Again a very nice one. I think you can understand from this only that it is a beautiful reddish pink sari. And so that is a very traditional, not a red and white sari, but red and deep pink. So see how attractive the sari is. And what I have done in the body, I have given a polka dot in mauve polka dot color. See the mauve polka dot color. So that is the block print which I have done in the body. So that is the whole sari. And beautiful. I mean, very nice, light, and daily wear sari. And for puja also, Durga Puja mornings, you can highly wear this and go in puja with a nice styling done, jewelry and everything. Some sort of string, and these are the ceramics. So this is tiles, ceramics, and so see how beautiful it's looking with this kind of a dressing you can do. And that one can actually, I can showcase my jewelry which all I have, so you can understand. And this is the blouse piece in crack. So the blouse piece in this sari I have given in this crack, pink and red crack, so that it gives a very nice this kind of a look to the sari. Okay, so this sari is priced at 2900, 2900, and additional shipping. The shipping will be additional. And then we come Kashish dye, that was an indigo dye. So this is in Kashish dye, gray color. This is also very pretty. There is also this black, the body is black. So we have done this, this is that abstract kind of a block we have been given. So these are outlined in kantha. These part are outlined in kantha. And this also has a nice line, kantha line going in the whole border, upper border and lower border. And these are the motifs. These are the Sindhi embroidery motifs which has been done. Like that. So that is so it's a very nice, beautiful hand done embroidery motif. So the whole body has this kind of, so that is indigo and dye with black. This is Dabu, and this is Kashish dye with black. So this is the sari. Very pretty, very unique and lovely one, and tall, nice, lovely sari. So, and this is the blouse piece. So that is the blouse piece. Very pretty, and so this is the blouse piece. The last sari in batik sequence is this one. See how pretty is the color combination. Extremely beautiful, and it's an abstract art batik. I did this design earlier in a chiffon, so that was loved by many. So this is basically half body. Again, it is a very abstract art batik, and the color combination is mind-blowing. Very beautiful color combination, extremely beautiful. So this one is this. It's a light soft cotton, and thing goes. And the next half of the sari is in white, off white. Actually, this is ivory white. This is kind of an off white, ivory white. So this goes, and so this is the, that's the pleat part. So this is the pleat part, and yeah, so this is the pleat, and beautiful pleats, and this is the whole palla. So the half of the sari, like, I mean, this would go wrap yourself, and then the pleats will come like this. The pleats will come like this. So half sari is with this painting, the full painting. And so what I have done, I have given a green blouse with this. It's a contrast blouse. Now this green blouse color is matching with the green color you can see in the leaves. So it's completely matching with this fish, you know, the green color over here. So this is a beautiful blouse piece, plain blouse piece, plain nice green blouse piece. What you can do is that you can give a off-white piping to the blouse, or lace, you know, a lace work to the blouse. So that will look this blouse and the sari majestic. I have a green blouse as well. So if you want, I can give you a semi-stitched green blouse also with this. So the green color basically, you know, this stands out in this leaf also. So this is the green color I have given for this blouse. So that is the sari and that is the blouse. So this is the sari, and this sari is also 3650, 3650. Very pretty sari, very pretty and very modern looking.